All right, we got an 89 Ford Escort. Was driving it. Engine just stalled. When it started, just turn over, turn over, turn her over. Nothing. Went through, replaced the alternator, got a new battery, checked the new plugs, wires, ignition coil, all kinds of stuff. Even was looking into the throttle body. It wasn't that. Just couldn't figure it out. What the problem is, I kind of reassembled it just for a quick video, but where the distributor cap is at here, there's two bolts, one on top, one below. Unplug your ignition control module, pull your distributor out, and on the bottom side here is the ignition control module. These take a very specific socket. What was it? 7/32. Bottlenecks down like that, it's an absolute must. This is the only one that will actually fit in there. So if you can have this socket, you can leave your distributor installed so you can get under there to get your ignition control module off. I ended up having to pull the whole thing so we pull that out after we get the two bolts out. And here lies the problem. I already tore this apart. If you can look inside of here, try to zoom in, there is a wire right there that is broken. That is the problem of why these Escorts will not start. I went to O'Reilly's, got a new one, ordered up, $30. And yeah, and that will fix the problem. Hope this helps you guys out.